What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn a very simple yet effective method to improve your internet speed and save bandwidth, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to our Windows computer and we're gonna be disabling a feature that comes enabled by default on Windows, okay? Go to Start menu and find Settings menu. Click on it. Now review the left sidebar of menus, okay? Home, System, Bluetooth, Personalization, Apps, Accounts, and find Windows Update. Windows receives updates and downloads updates almost every day, so it costs you connections, it costs you internet speed, but it's important to keep this enabled, right? Yes, I agree with you, but what if I tell you that if you have other computers on your network or on your house, for example, and you are the first to download this patch, this Windows update, the other computer is gonna be downloading the Windows update from you, or you're gonna be uploading the Windows update for them. This is a way that Microsoft adds to save their internet speed, okay? So you can disable this. Scroll down and find Advanced Options. Now go to Delivery Optimization on Additional Options. And all I have to do, yours is gonna be looking like this, okay? Allow downloads from other devices, and all I have to do is switch from off on to off. Easy, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.